For some little moments it was easy just feeling alive.